Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, FWD, HID headlights, smart device integration. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.